of magnet, types of magnet, properties of magnet wasn't it? First we discuss types of magnets. Magnet is divided into magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Magnetic material. Attract. Magnetic material. What is a magnetic material? Attract by magnet. Attract by magnet. Material which attract by magnet. Examples are iron, cobalt. Examples are iron, cobalt and etc. What is a non-magnetic material? Not attracted by a magnet. It is not the material which does not attracted by magnet. That is called as non-magnetic material. Examples are wood, plastics, etc. Okay? Now, shapes of magnet. There are so many shapes. Common shapes of magnet are bar-shaped magnet, that is called as a bar magnet. Disc-shaped magnet, that is called as a disc magnet. U-shaped magnet, that is called as a U-shaped magnet or heart-shaped magnet. Ring-shaped magnet is called as a ring magnet. Shapes of magnet. There are some more shapes. For example, cylindrical shape also we have. Cylindrical shape also. So now the properties of magnet. So there are two properties of magnet. There is a directive and attraction. Directive property. Always a freely suspended bar magnet, a magnet always aligns in north to south direction. It is always aligns in north to south direction. An attractive property. What is an attractive property? Like poles. For example, like poles. These and these. The end of the bar magnet called as a pole. The end of the bar magnet called as a poles. So, the end of the bar magnet, one end is the north and one end is the south. So, those two are the poles. So, north and north pole. Two like poles. They two are same. So, that's why they are ripple. Means they are, for example, it is the north and it is also the north. So if this like you can do means it didn't attract, means it didn't join, it will be didn't join and it will repulse means it didn't join. It's not joined, combined with north to north. North and north is repel and unlike poles attract. For example, north and we take south. These are north and we take south. These two poles are attract because they are unlike poles. They are not same poles but they are attract. Okay. So unlike poles will be attract like this and like poles will be repulse like this. So this is the properties of a magnet. So now let's go to experiment of bar magnet. So first experiment is attraction and repulsion. Attraction and repulsion. Why this experiment is to know a brief about attraction and repulsion, how it will be attract and how it will be repulse. Next, broke a magnet, get two magnets. When we broke a magnet by our hand or by chalk, it get two